Hey guys, it's your friend BB the Boss here, and whatever. And today I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube review with absolutely no one. I'm lonely. So let's start off with the smallest cube out of all of them, the mini 3x3. So it turns horribly. The stickers, I actually had to place one on it. And I doubt that you can even find it on there. Oh, I just found it. Oh my god. Wait, what? It disappeared! Wait. I don't know. But, it is on this side. Tell me in the comments if you found it. And I also got another question. If I ever do get my hair dyed, what color should I dye it? So other topics. The Rubik's Cube. So, turns horribly, like I said, and I did do an unboxing video. It'll probably be going out after I publish this, but this on my finger, that's blood, because I just had a nosebleed, but I decided to record. So let's go on to the 2x2. So this is my 2x2. It's scrambled because my mom can't listen. So yeah, it turns really well. It does really turn well. But it's just really light. I was thinking it might be a bit heavier, but it's still a pretty good cube. So let's go on to, did I mix it up? Did I? I did. Let's see if I can solve one side. I'll just get a decent pattern. Should I keep it that way or no? How'd I get that? What? I'm so confused. Okay. But, yeah, except for that, it's a really good cube. So now, let's move on to 3x3, which is textured. I don't really like the noise it makes whenever it turns, but it's still a really good cube. And it turns decent. And it doesn't really pop like I'm trying to right now, and it won't. So it's a pretty good one. Now for the greasy one. This one's still greasy, just came out of the package. It's still a bit greasy, but it's still a really good one. It turns incredible, but just wait. I have an even better one. What? Oh, that's so weird. And there's actually some tornadoes that might be coming around to my house, so yeah. Rubik's Cube. It's the Rubik's Cube, standing by itself. Woohoo! Okay, let's go on to the 5x5, one of my largest. And this thing turns incredibly, like, it's amazing. Turning is so good. Now, there's only one that I'm going to be bringing to school, and it's this one for my friend to solve, because he's like the Rubik's Cube pro, and I want all my cubes solved. Oh yeah, it didn't sneeze blood. Okay, but it might start again, so recording might be brief. So, and then we have the pyramid. I don't like it. It's clicky. It still turns pretty good though. It's just that it's so clicky is why I don't like it. Green, blue, red, yellow, and I don't think there's any other color. Now, people are gonna ask if this is a 4 cube. It's not. It's a 2x2. And then we have a pyramid, the pyramid cube, which is not. It's actually, or the triangle cube. The small cube. It's okay. I just think it's caught so much. I thought I just heard the cat. Okay, but oh, what am I laying on? Oh, all the boxes. Yeah, all came from China. All the boxes. Just push them. Put one in a candle. It can burn. So, yeah. Oh, look at this. It's so small compared to me. And this is it by my hand. On my hand. Look it up. Whoa, look at the size difference. Size differential. Let me put my hand behind it. Okay. There, I did it. But this is the mini 3x3. Mini 3x3, 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, and pyramids. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully it's not storming where you are right now. Peace.